Oh, what a beautiful day to go for a walk. Get the road down there with the river, walking trail. What's that? Something. Someone else walking? It's walking very odd. What is that? It's a werewolf? Uh-oh. I don't think he sees me yet. Oh, I can hear him. What's he doing? This is so bizarre. Oh my god. I can see his eyes. Oh, I'm pretty sure he sees me now. What's he doing?
Where is that stupid rabbit? Where is that stupid rabbit?
He's looking for a rabbit.
I want that rabbit. It tastes like chicken. I want that big fat ass rabbit. It tastes like chicken and shit like that. I want that big fat ass rabbit. It tastes like chicken like that. I want that big fat ass rabbit. It tastes like chicken. And then like rabbit stew.
I haven't seen any rabbits, man.
Where is that big fat ass rabbit?
I haven't seen any rabbits.
What?
I haven't seen any rabbits.
I don't care. You're still a tiny little morsel.
Who, me?
Yes.
I ain't tiny.
Tender little morsel.
No, dude, I don't taste good.
You're lying.
Oh.
You probably eat junk food like Tootsie Rolls and shit like that.
No, dude.
There's no way you eat your own poop.
You're looking for the things down there.
I don't want kids today. I want fried bunny rabbit.
No, there's ducks and geese down there.
No way.
Yeah.
I'm not stupid like you see those wolves in cartoons. I'm not that dumb.
Where do I go?
You're supposed to scream and
I'm
shit.
pinned down.
You're supposed to scream when I say that. Can you scream?
Where do I go? Oh man, he's gonna get me.
You look tasty. I'm going to eat you.
Can I offer you something else? Say, like, go buy you like a cheeseburger or something?
How many?
How many do you want?
I want plenty of cheeseburgers.
20?
20 sounds good to me. I am a wolf.
Alright, we'll shake on it.
Yeah, but still.
We're gonna shake? You're not gonna hurt me?
And Cinnabon, how big are your parents?
They don't live around here. I get you those cheeseburgers though.
Alright, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Is this 4 minutes?
Yeah.